Turn your passion into profit 5 steps to success. Take your passion and turn it into a thriving business that pays your bills and fuels your dream lifestyle. Find the sweet spot where your skills meet market demand, providing real value and getting rewarded. Build a business that gives you freedom, flexibility, and fun. By the end, you'll know how to turn what you love into a profitable business. Don't miss the end. I've got a pro tip to save you thousands in your first big deal. Sitting in that cubicle, scrolling through TikTok, thinking, this can't be it, right? You have this fire inside, waiting to explode. Ignoring that passion is like leaving money on the table. Your money. Look, I get it. You might think, I love gaming, but who's gonna pay me for that? Wrong question. Instead, ask, what problem can I solve for people who love gaming? Maybe it's coaching them to level up their skills, building custom PCs optimized for performance, or designing unique merch that lets them rep their favorite games. See the difference? Passion is great, but profitability is solving a problem. Think about it. Every successful business out there exists because it solves a problem. What problem can your passion solve? Don't overthink this. The key is to find the intersection between what you're passionate about and what other people need. Once you identify that sweet spot, you're no longer just a gamer, a fitness enthusiast, or a coding geek. You're a problem solver, an entrepreneur, a game changer. Here's the fun part, validation. Think of this as your proof of concept stage. Before you quit your job and go all in, you need to know if people are actually willing to pay for what you're offering. And the best way to do that is to test your idea in the real world. Create a small product or offer a service and put it out there. Platforms like Etsy, Upwork, or even Instagram are gold mines for this. The goal here isn't to make $1 million overnight, although hey, it could happen. It's about getting feedback, refining your offering, and proving to yourself that there's a market for your passion. Just start small, get your offering in front of real people, and be ready to adapt based on their feedback. Build systems to scale. Here's where many people mess up. They get a taste of success, maybe make a few sales, and then crickets. They're so busy putting out fires and doing everything themselves that they don't have time to grow. To scale your business, you need systems. Think of systems as the foundation of your business. They're the repeatable processes that allow you to deliver your product or service consistently, even as demand increases. Start by documenting your processes. Write down every step involved in running your business, from the moment someone discovers your product to the moment they receive it and beyond. Remember, you're not just building a business, you're building a machine that can run smoothly and efficiently, even without you having to be there every step of the way. Take strategic risks. Let me be blunt, playing it safe will get you nowhere fast. If you want extraordinary results, you need to be willing to step outside your comfort zone and take calculated risks. I'm not talking about betting the farm on a risky investment. I'm talking about strategic risks that have the potential to significantly move the needle in your business. This could mean investing in your education. Maybe you need to learn new marketing skills, master a new software program, or attend an industry conference. Knowledge is power, and investing in yourself is always a smart move. Yes, taking risks can be scary. But you know what's scarier? Waking up 5 years from now filled with regret, wondering what could have been if only you had taken that leap of faith. Stay consistent and adapt. Here's the truth. Building a successful business is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs, wins and losses. The key is to stay consistent even when it's hard. Most businesses fail not because they lack potential, but because people give up too soon. They get discouraged by setbacks, overwhelmed by the workload, or distracted by shiny objects. Listen, success isn't linear. There will be days when you feel like you're crushing it, and days when you want to throw in the towel. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is simple perseverance. Show up every day, even when you don't feel like it, and be willing to adapt. The market is constantly changing, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Your journey starts now. Turning your passion into a profitable business isn't just about making money. It's about freedom. Freedom to live on your terms and create the life you deserve. The question is, will you start now? The only thing standing between you and your dream life is you. You are capable of amazing things. Click here, and let's get you one step closer to your dream lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more content about personal finance and building your dream lifestyle.